Hi guys, so today I have this new set to share with you from Diamond Press that they have brought to HSN, now available, but ahead of the craft day at the end of the month. It is, on here it just says die stamp Marquee, but it's the Marquee stamp and die set, and it's kind of like an old school Marquee design like you would see at a theater. Really cute. Let me open this up. I think it's geared towards celebrations and birthdays, things like that. So I did send this item free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchased items through those links. So thank you for using those if you like. Oh, I love the color on the carrier. It's really fun and bright. Let's get this guy out, and let me take this off over here. Oh my goodness, look at this little, like, I'm assuming lights or something? We'll see. Let's look at this part first so you can understand a little better what I'm saying. So we have like the little signage. This one's like an oval, that cool kind of fun shape there. And then this one also, we have these little circles that look like kind of like lights, I guess. And then I suppose, yeah, on these ones, on these you can stamp on both of them. Some of the lettering, I believe, and things like that. So we'll see very soon. There's like a nice big shining light, like a star, and then you have like just different lighting, like those neon light kind of things. Little arrows, larger arrow, that's really fun. This one's more of just a die cut, and then you have like this little pom-pom kind of decoration or lights. Stars there, you have like a diamond shape, just really fun eclectic little bits to play with that. You have stamps that celebrate the best, awesome birthday, enjoy, congratulations, this cool guy right here, and then the lettering, all the letters and characters even for these guys, or to write whatever you would like happy birthday Megan, right? So there you go. Sorry, and there are a couple of examples. Super cute. This one's got lots going on. I think in my mind I'm going to do something like this where it's kind of like a little collage-y. Cute. Okay, so you have your different dies here. Like this one is like 2.5 inches tall, by almost 3 inches wide. You know, the main kind of larger signage thing is 2.5 by like 1 3/4, and they go from there. And then all your stamps. So nice size, really cute, like this kind of bit of added interest. So you have the best, you know, your numbers, all your letters, the little lights. So cute. I love that. Fun things to kind of just stamp here and there, like the lights were shining, kind of stuff like that. What I've been doing on these videos is using the backgrounds I created in the stenciling kit, the eyelet stencil kit. So I do have a card ready to go here, a card base. Again, if you're making your own, you have a standard A2, you have a piece of paper cut at 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, so it's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then I think I'm gonna use this background because why not? I think it'll pair really nicely with like a little collage of Marquee in here. So, like I always say, I always trim my card bases down, but I did put the little rhinestones right to the very edge, so I'm not gonna trim that at all. So this is just gonna be my card topper, and I'll just go with that. Let's go ahead and stick that down, and then I'm going to grab some papers, inks, colors that coordinate with what I have going here. And you know what, since there's all kinds of rhinestones on that, I'm just going to put my tape here, because we're going to tape the whole thing down anyhow. All the way there. And just pop that on, actually. There we go. I'll turn that over. Okay, and I'm just going to go and grab some papers and inks, and we'll start playing with the new set. So I just have some nice white cardstock. It's like a heavyweight cardstock, and I'm going to use this just so when I go stamp like my sentiments, everything's kind of good to go here. That part can be retired. Let me put one more, since that one is kind of on this last leg. Alright, and what do we stamp first? Let's go with this main guy. And I'm just going to put that there. And I think I'm going to stamp it. See if I should stamp it with like a fun color or just black, but let's go with, I'm going to use the stamp set from, I believe it was from the Today's Special. I haven't used this blue yet, so let's open this guy up. I'm gonna go with this dark blue. It's really juicy, so let's... Cute. Okay, so we have that guy. I'm going to wipe these down, but you can definitely spray them with your cleaner and then go from there. As soon as you stamp with one like this, it hasn't really set up, so it's very easy to just kind of wipe away. Especially with a water-based dye ink. I'll put it to the side. What was I going to say? Let's see here. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do enjoy and birthday, and I think what we'll do is we'll write out the words your. Oh yeah, fits right there. And these can be different colors, so I'm just going to stamp them at the same time. And then we'll write out the your part. What did I do that for? Really wanted it to stick down there. I wasn't inking it yet, but anyhow. Okay. I want to use the bright pink for sure, so let's do bright pink. And I'll probably do that a couple times because although it's bright, it's kind of a light color. And purple for enjoy. That's really sweet and soft. I love that. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do with that one. Let me put these stamps back along with the main marquee one, and I'll be right back. Write out the word your. So Y O U R. It is this kind of your, not you are. Okay. And I'll try to put it straight, but you know. Something like that. Now what color do I want for that? Oh, I do have a teal. Maybe I'm gonna save the teal for later. Let's see if the your can be yellow. Just bringing out another fun color. Oopsie. Oh, that's so cute. Super bright. Adorable. Okay, the other thing I want to stamp, and I'll put my letterings back. I'll put them over here for just right now. Is this guy. I'm going to use this guy too. And with congratulations. So I'm going to, not congratulations, celebrate. That's the one I want. I saw this guy on here, but I wanted to celebrate. I saw it over here. There's the word awesome also. Wait, where is celebrate? Oh, in between. So silly. Okay. And maybe I'll stamp this one in black. And then with the teal color, I'll do celebrate. I'm used to pick that up and have to press down like I did before. Let's see here. I'm just replacing my inks. And go ahead and ink that up. I'm going to do that one more time. Cute. Okay. So let me put away my stamps and let me grab another color. I want to make like one of the arrows and some other fun things, so I will be right back. So we're going to get those guys cut out. And they'll just kind of be on there. And then it's kind of more of light blue, and that's okay. And one of these big guys. Maybe one of these smaller ones. For right now, I know for sure I want this one. I was gonna stamp teal on teal, but the color I picked isn't quite teal, but let's see how that looks. Just a fun mix of colors. Yeah, cute. Okay. Oopsie. That looks really nice. And I'll do the same thing with like a yellow paper and just do yellow on yellow with this guy, okay? And I'll be right back. Maybe orange on yellow. Okay, guys, that is so cute. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut these bits out with the dies and kind of see where I already have my background made, so I don't really have a lot of background stamping that I'd be doing with this one. Bring these guys back. And so, like this guy, again, you can eyeball it, you can make yourself a little aperture. Right now what I'm looking at is splitting the difference to like the little amount that's on the left side and the right side of the ink, you know, where that might cut and what that might look like. And that looks pretty good to me, so I feel pretty confident cutting it right there. But again, you can make yourself an aperture, and same thing with the rest of them. Just gonna eyeball them, you know, and I'll be right back. Eyeball them, but to bring in some of the colors and to, you know, from the back and front, I'm gonna run this one through this yellow paper. So maybe I'm gonna do a drop shadow, maybe I'm not, but if I do, it's coordinating with my project. Let me put some of these things to the side. And I'll show you real quick what that looks like to use this little guy as your guide to cut well. So there we go. Oh, let's turn this way. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera at all. There we go. We don't take this off, just leave it there. What you're gonna do is hinge it. So you always wanna put your tape on a side where you can get it the nicest, like maybe here I would put the tape here, or like on this one here, just wherever you can get a good amount. And this really has no white border. I mean, it's very minimal, so it's a good thing we tried this out because it's very, very right on, right? You want a very exact die cut. And hold on. So I usually make my aperture a little bigger than the die itself, and then you want to tape that. If you have a little tape, great, and then try to tape it to your project too, and then as much of the paper as you can get so it hopefully doesn't shift too much on you. The whole point of making the aperture, so you can get a better die cut. And look at that. So if you want to do that with all of them, go for it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I eyeballed the two lights. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then these two I did in a way that I can drop shadow both of them, so maybe that'll just be part of my design. Let's put this back here. And let me put things away a little bit and we'll get our card pulled together. So let's put a couple of these things together. The drop shadow items, of course. What's in there? This guy like there, and that will be our main focal point. And then we have our little guys, and I was planning on doing the blue kind of near the yellow if I do that, and then the yellow down here. Let me see. Oh, okay, we can do something like that. I'm trying to see where I should drop shadow this one. I suppose in the same direction, huh? And just a little drop shadow on that guy. And it'll be something like that. And I think I can go in the back. It can also be popped up. maybe something like that. And then this guy. Yep, okay. It's basically in here, past those little rhinestones. And then this guy, I'm going to put some dimension on it that's less deep than what I'm going to pop on the Celebrate one. So this guy right here, I'm just going to put this on here, okay? And I'll be right back, and I'll get some dimensionals on the other guy too, just so, yeah, I'll be right back, just so you can see it without me pausing again to do that. But I will be right back. I took the backings off of that, and this guy will be basically right in here. I had mentioned when I made this background that if you're going to cover things up, obviously you don't have to put your little rhinestones there, but they were already there from before, so I'm just going to leave them. And then this guy, I was just paying attention that I don't, on both of them really, that I don't put 3D foam wherever the rhinestones are. Like that. Cute. And this one's a little higher than this guy. So this is a lower profile. Dimensional, this one's just a little bit higher. And then I want to pop this guy in somewhere. I wasn't sure where. Let's see, maybe I should pick this up and bring that in here. Yep, and I'm probably going to lose this guy. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this little rhinestone off. And just put some glue back there and hold that guy down for a second, and I will be right back. Cute. And just to wrap it up, I'm going to take that smaller kind of star kind of die, twinkly die. That one is just the die. I don't believe it has a matching stamp, where the larger one does have a matching stamp if you like to use it that way. For this one, it's just the little star, super cute. And let's add those guys somewhere, like there. So it's more of a delicate item, that one, and it's just up, and I think it'll be fine. And then maybe somewhere here. Something like that. And that is our card. Just really fun, eclectic, super cute. Obviously you can say whatever you want. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box. Thank you so much, and press for Sandy's items for review. I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.